My name is Ghazi Taimur, and I'll be hosting today's Instagram Live with two amazing people. And just as I do that, I'm going to wait for a notification to go through. Everyone's going to get a notification, and people are going to join. While I also wait to add these two guests in our live session. So as you guys join, अभी दो लोगों को मैं add करने लगा हूँ. Hi, Misha.
Hi, I'm going to leave the hello up
So
to
great to
Faris.
have you. And मैं सोच रहा था वो hello उधर से होना है. I'm just waiting to get Faris on. Faris, if you can see this, can you send me a request as well? So if you can request to join this live, and I'll accept you. मैं भी Faris को मैं request भेज रहा हूँ. There we go.
Hey, bro.
Faris, वो hello का हम wait करें पहले, सबसे पहले.
नहीं करेगा. अब तुमने कह दिया, अब ये नहीं
जाते हुए करेंगे.
मैं चुप हो गया था फारिस के कहने के लिए. But honestly, so happy, so thrilled to be talking to the Shafi siblings. And I know there's been so many people who've been dancing, grooving to Moses Arif. And just grateful that we all get an opportunity to talk to both of you. So welcome to Misha Shafi and welcome to Faris to this Instagram live. आप लोग जी मुझे बताएं. So you've given a banger. You guys have come together. This is your first kind of. You guys, I know you guys have been singing together growing up, but this is the first time everyone's gotten to see both Faris and Misha come together. What took you guys so long?
ये मैंने BTS में जवाब दिया था इस सवाल का. अब इस दफा फारिस की सुनते हैं.
वही जवाब है.
जवाब मेरा ये था, for anyone who hasn't got the BTS, कि हर चीज का एक टाइम होता है और ये खुद से ही होना था जब होना था. So I would say this was the time that it was meant to happen. And it happened in the best possible way, honestly, because it was really nice to have this whole team supporting us while we set out on creating this song and making the collaboration.
Yeah, I agree.
What was the journey of this song like? Okay, how did you guys decide? I understand you said कि बस अब होना था तो ये हुआ है, लेकिन how did you guys decide कि यार हम दोनों करेंगे और ये हम इस तरीके से lyrics और इस तरीके से we're gonna come together? What was that journey like?
But obviously इस discussion में बहुत से और लोग भी involved थे, the production team, and when I think one of the intentions on Coke Studio has always been to bring exciting collaborations. So कि इस तरह की शायद unexpected, शायद unique pairings या combinations हों जिससे कि Faris, so yeah, welcome back. I was just talking about the creative process and coming together to write the song and stuff. And the first thing in the song, first of all, as far as the songwriting goes, was Faris's verse. क्योंकि ये इसने जब initially हम direction explore कर रहे थे कि क्या होगी, messaging, mood, like communicate क्या करना है, क्या energy, what kind of direction we want to take that in. So he sent two really awesome verses which are in the song and you guys have all heard. And then there was one which was very emotional and very in different kind of fields. So we ended up pursuing the banger direction, basically.
Right.
वहाँ पे हम एक उस पे थे, we were at a crossroads के, सज्जे खब्बे किधर जाएं. तो हम इस तरफ को निकल गए और banger was something that we basically unanimously decided. And Yeah, just for the power. I was like, I personally felt like I didn't want to do emo stuff. Although the song is very emotional in many ways. But yeah, so here we are with the banger. तो इसके verse आए थे पहले और मेरे लिए बड़ा मतलब as a songwriter it was a different kind of challenge. It was a different kind of challenge because of the way he flows and writes, and you know the just the bulk of his writing is very like बड़ा वजन होता है उसमें volume भी और quantity भी और quality भी. It's like a massive package. So how to sort of complement that, come in and complement that. That was frankly, as a songwriter, it was kind of tha thoda figure out करने वाली चीज थी, but an exciting process. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kya baat hai. And I'm going to come back to you just in a second, Misha, and I want to ask you about the lyrics themselves and what they mean to you, or what they mean, what you've kind of expressed in them. But first, आपसे मैं एक सवाल पूछूंगा और उम्मीद है आपका internet is going to stay with us this time round. इसके what did you think? मतलब your music and Misha's music is obviously very different. Did you think किस तरीके से how was that going to come together?
Yeah, that was one of the challenges. मुझे शुरू में, लेकिन वो मुझे लगा कि recently रैप म्यूजिक की एक्सेप्टेंस बढ़ गई है, तो अब वो क्रॉस जॉनरा जरा आसान हो गया है. बिफोर इट वाज जस्ट सीन एज एक म्यूजिक सारा एक तरफ हो रहा था और रैप जो है वो बस इंडिपेंडेंटली हो रहा था, एंड नोबडी रियली अंडरस्टूड उसकी मतलब वाइब. तो दिस ईयर या वही के टाइम हर चीज का खुद ही आता है. सो आई फेल्ट लाइक इस साल कुछ फीलिंग ऐसी थी कि द टाइम इज राइट and we can do this. Yeah,
right. And for us, just to build on, I'm the eldest brother in my siblings. I understand you're the younger brother here. कोई प्रेशर था कि बड़ी बहन के साथ अगर आप परफॉर्म करें तो कोई टेंशन थी कि कुछ वो डायनामिक होगा?
नहीं, उस तरह की कोई टेंशन नहीं थी कभी भी मुझे. म्यूजिकली और उसको वो किस तरह लोग उसको परसीव करते हैं वो in the past वो I guess was the one that we had to figure out. But just once we had decided, उसमें ये नहीं था कि बड़ी बहन और छोटा भाई और वो वाला सिस्टम नहीं था. We were doing it as artists and it was a lot of fun.
I think एक एडल्टिंग के एक पॉइंट पे पहुंच के वो थोड़ा मतलब you know वो गैप डिसॉल्व भी हो जाता है to an extent. At least I think one feels it when the difference is more pronounced. Age difference is more pronounced anyway when you're children. That's what I feel. Now I just feel like you know we're just two adults.
इसमें एक collaboration ज़्यादा थी हमारे crafts की as opposed to कोई sibling वाली चीज. Obviously अगर वो सिर्फ अपना sibling होना ही point होता तो हम बहुत पहले से बहुत सारी चीजें साथ posts लगा रहे होते या जो भी कर रहे होते. But the point was not really to sell that part. The point was to bring the artists to collaborate.
Yeah, and you both have spoken your truth. So talking about the lyrics, Misha, you hinted towards that. You both have spoken your truths in your own lyrics, and I understand you guys have written the lyrics as well for your parts. So I'm just very curious, agar aap, Misha, start with you, if you can talk a bit about the lyrics and what they mean for you.
As you said, speaking our truth is, you know, हम यही करते हैं अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में भी और काम में भी. और मुझे लगता है कि हमने सीखा ही है कि ट्रूएस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन जो है वो शेयर करें, वो एक्सप्रेस करें, वो निकालें अपने अंदर से. और वरना you know like I think I would say इसका भी यही है और maybe I kind of try to live by this कि if you don't have something substantial and honest to say, then maybe it's okay to be quiet, and it's okay to not post things, and it's okay to not release things. Usme pad ke, you know, like, you don't have to pander to things like numbers and traffic. And I think we all, in our household especially, because we do live like with that approach. So lyrics भी वही reflect करते हैं, to come back to your question, कि be yourself. I just always want to encourage people, and also myself, and remind myself, because this is the real work in life, to keep coming back to your authentic self. And it does take courage. It sounds like a cliche, but it can be really hard. So especially with the internet. So so it's a call to courage, and it's a call to sort of like, you know, stay true to yourself.
Yeah.
And not compromise on yourself. Yeah.
And वही आपकी के जद में बोलना, दिल तो बोलना, साम सके ना दुनिया. And I think I speak on behalf of millions of people out there that you've been speaking the truth. And as you mentioned, and it's even more difficult to speak it on the internet, where there's like microcosm society का बना होता है, where there's left, right, and center. There's so much toxicity, but you've continued doing that, and you've stood ground for so many people.
Thank you.
And just hats off. Like, this is my fan moment at the moment. Hats off to you for being able to say what you've said in your songs, and being able to express your truth. And
Thank you.
And Faris, over to you.
हाँ,
sorry, Michelle.
फारिस का भी lyrics का जो है वजन, in the meaning, and there's just so much to unpack. मुझे I personally find him to be so courageous, like totally a warrior. He's a word warrior. बिल्कुल है ये भी. हाँ.
क्या बात.
Thank you. Thank you.
Faris, I'm going to ask the same question to you. You're वो अभी किसी ने नीचे लिखा था, you're fastest rapper with the slowest internet. but Faris, you speak about so many things. You speak about not being able to speak. You speak about speaking truth. I think my question would be again कि इस गाने में, when you were writing अपना rap, अपने lyrics, where did the inspiration come from? And it's not different from your trajectory, from you speaking your truth in the rap that you've done in previous songs as well. So कोई तो जवाब दे, and then kind of this one, you've been speaking that language. So इस वाले में were you conversing with Misha? How was that process like for you?
Yeah, initially I was wondering what should it be about, because there's so much being said. So with rap, especially when there's so many, like, it's so wordy and fast, तो वो थोड़े टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा चीजें आ जाती हैं, right? So शुरू में मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही थी, honestly, कि if I do a song with her, then what would, as you know, siblings, like what would I want to say? लेकिन इवेंचुअली मुझे लगा कि कुछ ऐसा कहना चाहिए जो कि हम दोनों के ट्रूथ्स अलाइन हो जाएं, और जो like you know, something that the person I'm collaborating with, which is her this time, that she can also say confidently as her own truth. Like everything from the verse she needs to find some truth in it for herself, because then she can own the crux of the rap, right, of the verse. तो वो मुझे निकालना था कि वो कहाँ पे अलाइन हो रहे हैं, और वो क्या बातें हैं जो we can, like, without even asking each other, be agreeing to or on. तो मुझे तो लिखते हुए ये लगा था कि सबसे जरूरी ये है कि कोई ऐसी सारी बातें ऐसी हों जो हम दोनों ही सुन के या कह के सोचें कि हाँ ये बनता है, ये ठीक है.
अभी भी इसकी जो opening lines हैं, which open the song, they just like resonate with me 100%. 100, 100,000%. Everybody telling me to say it, everybody telling me to keep it up at the same time. Everybody telling me to stay safe, everybody telling me to zip it up. So it sums it up completely. And then when you go into the depth of the verses also, like, I could be saying all of that. I do feel all of that. I can't deliver it, you know, I can't like perform it, but वो हैं दिल की, मेरी भी दिल की बातें हैं. So what he's saying,
she can deliver it. You guys, there's a lot you don't know. She can deliver it. एक दिन आप लोगों को सुनाई दे ही देगा, मुझे लगता है.
एक दिन शायद.
और अगर वर्ड्स के थ्रू नहीं तो एक्शंस में तो डेफिनेटली सुनाई दे रहा है.
नहीं, she can rap it out. I don't think she'll have a problem. Yeah. लोगों को ये
Misha,
पता
are we
नहीं है.
waiting for a rap song to come over from the elder Shafi sibling?
यार
Whenever she
फ्यूचर पे
decides.
हाँ, फ्यूचर जो है ना, I don't like to project into the future. I feel like that's something I've learned, and I try to kind of keep in check. When we project into the future, it creates anxiety because the unknown is a very daunting thing. तो मुझे तो होता है कि अभी मैं I want to pay attention to what I feel like doing right now, and if that translates into that happening in the future, then I will very, like, gladly put it out there, and you guys will get to see it, hear it. Yeah.
Excited at the prospects of that happening. And Faris, where did the hello come from? Like, honestly, I know you've answered that question a couple of times, Pele, but we want to know, where does the hello originate from? I'm not even going to try to mimic that hello because no one else can do it better than Faris. But uski bhi origin yaar bata dein.
यार मेरे नाना जिन्होंने मुझे पाला था, उनका हेलो ऐसा था. बस.
क्या बात है.
Yeah.
And so happy, that's so good to hear.
Yeah, उस जमाने में वो होती थी ना लैंडलाइन फोन सेट, जो घर में एक कोने में पड़ा होता था, और वो, like, our Nana, yeah, he used to have that. I never knew that, Faris.
Yeah, I wasn't going to tell anyone, but like, he just asked.
Okay, guilty.
मैंने थोड़ा सा सोचा कि बताऊं या बस अपने साथ ही ले जाऊं, लेकिन चलो कोई नहीं.
कोई हर्ज नहीं.
No way. That's great to know. Okay, guys, we know where this hello comes from. We kind of got this information out. Faris ने बताना नहीं था, लेकिन आज he's shared it.
आप अच्छे ही इतने लग रहे हैं बॉस. मैं रहा नहीं गया मेरे से. आपने इतने प्यार से पूछा कि मैंने कहा यार अब बताना ही पड़ेगा.
Faris is king, यार. And I'm जो मुझे एक बहुत मजे की बात लग रही है is just this duo, this relationship, and जब मैं मीशा से सवाल पूछता हूँ, वो फारिस की behalf पे भी, and then फारिस से पूछता हूँ, I love the sibling energy. I'm just very curious कि what your relationship has been while you like growing up. वो relationship क्या था बचपन से लेके like going into your teenage, etc. कोई तो जवाब दे.
It's been, we've been constant companions रहे हैं हम. पहले obviously मैं इसका इंतजार कर रही थी, फिर ये पैदा हो गया, और उसके बाद से हम इकट्ठे ही हैं. We are like, two sides of the same coin. And मैं एक ऐसी एज पे थी when he arrived on the scene कि इतनी छोटी नहीं थी मैं, so I was very much like he was my sort of child. Yeah. So I had that kind of mothering instinct with him also, that are older sister type cheese. So we have spent so much time together. Most of our lives growing up, we also were roommates. तो उसमें हमारे in those memories there are a lot of performances. and yeah, we've shared a lot of like performing space together because हम यही कर रहे होते थे अपनी इमेजिनेशन में भी और अपने कमरे में भी और लोगों के सामने भी for that matter. We were just like, I guess, born to do this, and that is exactly coming to the song. Why the song is talking about like, you know, like be yourself. As well, क्योंकि अगर आप कोई प्लान फ्यूचर का ये वो कि एक दिन ये हो जाए या हम कुछ बन जाए, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. We were just immersed in the moment, और जो बस you know like naturally flow कर रहा था, and that was always some sort of फनकारी.
Yeah. First, so generally knowing this from my from my own younger brothers के उनके सामने जवाब नहीं होता, लेकिन first, how was Misha as an elder sister?
यार इस तरह का वो कोई ऐसी फील नहीं थी. It was a really friendly kind of balanced relationship. It was actually a friend at home. I didn't really have to hold back or into how I felt or anything. She didn't really impose anything, any rules or those things. So it wasn't that kind of elder sibling wala jo mahal hota hai. I got a lot to learn from her. I was constantly learning from her. I would be hanging out. She went to NCA, so I would be hanging out with them there in NCA all the time. We got so much to learn about art, different forms of it. Most of my friends are from her batch as well, from NCA, and I'm still in touch with them, a lot of them. So aisa nahi tha. It was basically I would rather have hung out with like her friends whenever I got the chance. So मैं तो high school से इधर NCA और इनके साथ और इनके सारे जो group of artists था, it was just wonderful to be there, you know. अपना इकोनॉमिक्स और मैथ्स पढ़ के बंदा NCA चला जाए तो मजा आ जाता है, you know. मेरा टेम्परामेंट नहीं था मैथ्स पढ़ने वाला, मुझे मैथ्स का शौक नहीं था, तो बस मैं यही सोच रहा होता था कि ये स्कूल खत्म हो तो मैं जाके NCA में देखूं कोई पेंटिंग कर रहा है, कोई डांस कर रहा है, कोई थिएटर कर रहा है. वो सारी चीजें मैंने इन्हीं से सीखी थी. So I was actually running towards doing all of the things that she was involved in, even through her own college and so on.
Yeah, मतलब I think लोगों के लिए भी बहुत शॉकर होगा ये फारिस इकोनॉमिक्स और मैथ पढ़ रहे हैं. It's going to be mind blowing, but
मुझे लगता है recently, and I'm going to talk to him about this, you know, one-on-one also. I've been meaning to ask him.
Maths?
हाँ, कि मैथ्स जो है ना उसका ये जो इसने कोई लेवल अनलॉक किया है recent years में, फ्लो का और क्या कहते हैं राइम स्कीम्स का, एंड something level unlock में मुझे लगता है whether he realizes or not, I don't know how conscious these things don't always have to be, you know, but I feel like there's like some Tesla type of like math patterns involved, like, you know, like वजन and हाँ वो instinctively भी हो सकता है after a number of hours you put in, obviously, or mathematically भी.
There's maths in everything you dissect, but someone else must dissect the maths here. Like I am not the one. So maths तो हर चीज में है, बस अगर इसमें नजर आ रही है तो निकाल सकते हैं आप, तो निकाल लें. मुझे maths का कोई शौक नहीं है.
हाँ हाँ.
मेरी स्कूल लाइफ का
मैथ मैजिशियन या मैथमेटिशियन
मैथ्स ही था.
नहीं, और तो ये सवाल फिर एक नेचुरल वो बनता है एट दिस टाइम पारिस के, एंड अगेन फॉर पीपल, फॉर न्यू पीपल फ्रॉम द कोक प्लेटफॉर्म, के फिर रैप का सफर वो क्या था. सो वेयर वाज द पॉइंट और हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट रैपिंग, सो स्पेसिफिकली रैपिंग एज अ वेरी नीश, जो उस जमाने में तो बल्कि और भी पाकिस्तान में उस तरीके से इतनी वो आम भी नहीं होगी.
नहीं, कहाँ आम थी ब्रो. छुप छुप के करनी पड़ती थी. किसी को पता भी लग जाए कि आप रैप लिख रहे हो तो वो आगे से आपको बस शुगर लगाने के चक्कर में हाँ हाँ कि क्या बकवास है ये क्या कर रहा है तू, ये वो फलाना. बट इफ यू हैव टू बी गुड एट इट देन यू हैव टू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, एंड इफ यू हैव टू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग देन यू हैव टू नॉट टेल एनीवन. तो मुझे तो आई बिलीव कि मेरा जब पहला सिंगल आया था अवाम, तो इन्होंने रिलीज होने पे ही देखा था. मतलब आई अपने रैप शैप जो है वो मैं छुपा के ही करता रहता था, क्योंकि इट सीम्ड लाइक कि मैं किसी को ये नहीं कह सकता कि यार मैं आजकल एग्जाम के लिए इसलिए नहीं पढ़ा क्योंकि मैं आई एम ट्राइंग टू राइट सम पोएट्री लाइक it never nobody takes that serious. I mean maybe now, but हमारे तो जब प्रैक्टिस शुरू हुई थी तब बस ऐसे छुप के ही करते थे.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I
And
guess
who was
does that answer your question? क्या था सवाल, क्या था?
रहन दो
Repeat the question.
सवाल नु छड्डो.
अच्छा ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਪੁੱਛ
मुझे
ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਸਵਾਲ ਹੈ.
नहीं, जो हमें सवाल के जो हमें जवाब
ਤੁਸੀਂ
चाहिए
ਜਵਾਬਾਂ ਚ
वो
ਖੋ
हमें
ਗਏ ਹੋ
जवाब
ਤੇ
मिल
ਸਵਾਲ
गया.
ਭੁੱਲ ਗਏ ਹੋ है ना. अच्छा
नहीं हमें जवाब मिल गया. हमें जवाब मिल गया है कि उस वक्त
ठीक
आपने
है.
छुप के आपने रैप आपने स्टार्ट किया था, and then you went with it. And how did you, again a question for both of you, कि how did your family specifically react?
Well, they loved
So
it, dude.
सवाल ये था कि how did your family react to the song?
यार बताएं. Family react to
हमारे
rap or family react to what?
To both.
वो
अच्छा.
हमारे घर में एक से एक बड़ा फनकार बैठा हुआ है, कोई सरप्राइज नहीं होता. प्राउड बहुत होते हैं, एक्साइटेड बहुत होते हैं, बट क्या कहते हैं, आई थिंक जब व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड आई बेट एवरीबडी वाज लाइक हाँ इन्होंने तो यही करना था, जाहिर है. लाइक my mom said this recently. She was like, obviously, matlab, like while she was carrying us respectively, you know, कभी वो पीटीवी स्टेशन में होती थी, कभी वो स्टेज पे होती थी, कभी वो रिहर्सल कर रही होती थी, कभी वो स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रही होती थी. So our dad was also extremely multi-talented. So obviously she was like, you know, जाहिर है तुम लोगों ने तो गाने गाते हुए पैदा ही तुम लोग इस तरह हुए हो, तो और क्या, like ये बहुत natural trajectory थी. Recently though they have started getting very like animated about the songwriting, especially because जरा थोड़ा काम का आउटपुट जो है एक्सिलरेट हुआ है पिछले कोई 2 साल 2.5 साल में, हम दोनों का ही. So you know, the songwriting has been a point of discussion in our like family chat groups. यार तुम लोग कितना, मतलब ये तुमने लिखा है. So like ये गाते हैं और ये नाचते हैं और ये फनकार हैं, उस तरह से they knew बचपन से, because as I said घर पे हम यही करते फिर रहे होते थे. लेकिन obviously when it comes down to actually sitting down and doing the writing, that has been sort of like that kind of hit them in recent times. है ना फारिस?
Possibly.
मुझे ये लगता है कि ये किस तरह तुम लोग लिख रहे हो, ये तो वो भी लिख लेता है, ये भी लिख लेती है, तुम लोग किस तरह और कब लिखते हो. So these types of things I have recently sort of like heard.
जैसे कहते हैं कि गुट्टी में मिला था, वो गुट्टी से भी पहले मिला था. वो पैदा होने से पहले से ही जो आर्ट था वो सिखाया जा रहा था. And has like फारिस, मेरा आपसे सवाल ये है कि has your mom heard all your songs?
She tries not to, actually. But she probably has. लेकिन काफी परेशान तो होती हैं बेचारी जब कोई नया ट्रैक आता है कि क्या कर.
अच्छा, मैंने एक चीज नोट की है, जब इसका नया ट्रैक आता है या कोई भी इस तरह की, जाहिर है मतलब यू नो आजकल की दुनिया में आपके बच्चे मशहूर हैं, आप भी मशहूर हैं और चीजें हर तरह की हो ही रही होती हैं, राइट? लाइक तो मैंने नोट किया है कि कभी कोई खलबली मची हो ना अराउंड आवर नेम्स, या हम गाना निकाले या ये गाना निकाले स्पेसिफिकली, और तो ढेर सारी सेल्फीज लगाना शुरू कर देती हैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे. like उस दिन ना ज़्यादा करेंगी, like this is something I've observed anyway. I don't know if she's doing it deliberately कि अपने you know like focus जो है वो किसी ना किसी चीज पे जरा anchored रहने के लिए. I can't imagine, honestly. I have kids. I don't know if my kids were like on the internet in this way all the time.
Right.
It's gotta be kind of like, she's like, salute to her. That's all I can say. Yeah.
And I think over the course of time, as I've seen on the internet, she's stood for things, and she's unki wo khud, she's so strong in herself as well as a person. So hats off to her for raising two artists for this country who speak truth without being ashamed, and for who she is as well.
She can't help it. I don't think she had a choice. It's like a generational sort of thing. She was raised by a totally progressive, revolutionary writer, thinker, you know, like totally ahead of his time, jo hamare nana the. So, you know, he's like in every fiber of our being.
Yeah. Yeah. And Misha, जैसे अभी फारिस ने से हमें निकलवा ली ये बात कि like the hello, where that inspiration comes from as well. We can directly see that infusion coming from the family. So running in the family, and a token of respect perhaps for the elders who've passed on so much over to us.
Yeah. Yeah.
So मेरे कुछ last सवाल, because I know you guys are extremely busy as well, and I've kept you guys here. But one thing that I really want to hear from each one of you about each other, because ये गाना has been about you too. So one thing that you, I'm going to skip the annoying part. I'm going to ask you one thing that you love about each other. One thing. एक है ना, एक. So could be top things. So Misha, what you love about Faris, and Faris something unique. Something unique about each other. I'm gonna ask Faris. I'll let Faris go first.
यार अब तूने कहा है कि समथिंग यूनिक, और ये नहीं कि बस पता नहीं क्या, तो वो क्या है जो पता नहीं क्या है?
नहीं, generic बात नहीं, कोई unique बात. Something unique about your sister that you love about her.
Yeah, she introduced me to rap music. How unique is that? So I don't know. Although she was a little worried when some of the violent tracks that I was listening to, because rap में बड़ा violence भी देख चुके हैं, you know, 90s or 2000s. तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा परेशान हो गई थी कि ये क्या सुना दिया इसको, क्योंकि कुछ गाने खतरनाक होते जाते हैं ना, तो वहाँ पे थोड़ी हुई थी टेंशन. मुझे याद है हम कल ही बात कर रहे थे, लेकिन that's pretty unique, isn't it?
Okay, that's definitely unique. And for everyone who heard this, Faris said something about Misha, she introduced him to rap. So, kya baat hai? I think big statement there. Misha, over to you.
ये छोटा सा था, खैर मैं भी इतनी कोई बड़ी नहीं थी. मैं टेप लेके आई थी स्नूप डॉग की.
नहीं, वो छोड़ने के हम कोई मामू हमारे डेक में
छोड़ गए थे.
हाँ,
अच्छा, बस आ गई थी बस कहीं से. हाँ, ये नहीं मुझे पता कहाँ से मेरे हाथों में आ गई थी. तो वो मैंने सुना, मेरी दुनिया खुल गई ना यूं करके. और क्या कहते हैं, उसके बाद फिर मैंने इसको, जाहिर है मैं और किसके साथ शेयर करती, हम दो ही बच्चे थे घर में, तो इसको मैंने सुनाया और फिर हम वी वर हुक्ड. फिर हम पूरा दिन वो सुनते रहते थे रिपीट पे, दोनों साइड ए साइड बी, साइड ए साइड बी, साइड ए साइड बी, पेंसिलें घुसा रहे हैं, कभी टेप निकल रही है. 80s kids,
back in those days, yeah.
हाँ, और उसको क्यूटिप से साफ कर रहे हैं, फिर बटन की यूं, और वो सारा करके फिर लिरिक्स नहीं होते थे उस जमाने में, कोई इंटरनेट नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. फिर हम लिखते थे बैठ के, सुनते थे, याद करते थे, फिर परफॉर्म करते थे. फिर हम एक पॉइंट पे रैप फ्री स्टाइल भी करते थे, मतलब एवी बस कमरे में बैठ के ना, एवी के बैटल करते हैं और पता नहीं क्या क्या बोली जाते थे और ये सारा कुछ कर. देन लेटर ऑन जब ये when he was older he was like, यार आपने मुझे बहुत छोटा था, क्या सुना रही थी आप मुझे? क्योंकि जाहिर है उसमें मतलब obviously it was not age appropriate for either of us. We just happened upon the tape. So yeah, but we are both very very like in love with, and हमारा इसका तो मतलब मैं क्या ही कहूँ, but हमारा बहुत पुराना bond है hip hop के साथ, बहुत पुराना.
Yeah, so वो the notion of behind every successful man there's a woman वाला. So
there's plenty behind me and मेरे घर में तो बस सारी औरतें ही थी,
हाँ, औरतें ही औरतें हैं.
मेरी नानी,
and
बस मेरे नाना और मैं, हम दोनों ही थे.
Yeah, सिर्फ हाँ. Yeah.
love this. This is so great to hear. And हमेशा आपसे वो सवाल वापस आपके पास आ गया है. So one thing that you love about Faris?
That's unique.
That's unique.
Unique या unknown? मुझे लग रहा है कि ये actually you know इसका मकसद इस सवाल का ये है कि कुछ ऐसा बताएं कि जो कि
But I don't want to be I'm not trying to extract something out, but something that we don't know, something that that might be new for the world to know, something that a sibling should tell about a younger brother.
Hi.
No pressure.
हाँ. कह रहे ज़्यादा ना बताना. He's incredibly funny. Much funnier than you guys know. Even funnier than you guys know. And you'll never know actually how funny he is. Because he's dangerously funny.
आजकल सब लोग पास हो जाते हैं, फ्रेंड हो जाते हैं, नेट पे कहते हैं हमारी फ्रेंड हो गई है, तो बंदा चुप कर जाता है.
हाँ,
वरना बहुत ही फनी बातें हैं कहने वाली.
हाँ, तो हम बैठ के हम we don't really need anything or anyone else. हमें कोई entertainment नहीं चाहिए होती. जब हम इकट्ठे बैठते हैं या बात करते हैं तो हम हंस के पागल हो जाते हैं. And yeah, that has been like a constant companionship, a safe space also.
Yeah,
it's a safe space, and I think we're both very lucky to have that space because हर एक के पास नहीं होती.
क्या बात है. Thank you. I think we can when Faris ko dekh ke we know he's funny, but it's good to know that there's more layers to that than what we see on screen or what we hear through his music, which is great. And I think that's beautiful. I am genuinely, like, I've had like the past 45 minutes of this chat have been so great for me because I respect both of you so much for using your art and using your music as a means to speak truth to power and to disseminate the message that you do without being ashamed, without being afraid, without being pushed into a corner. And इसलिए ना सिर्फ आपके लिए as artists or as musicians, आप लोगों के लिए ना सिर्फ मेरी बल्कि पूरी दुनिया की respect है, but also for people who are creating change within young people, who are inspiration for a lot of young people who look up to you, both of you on a day in day out basis, and I'm just so thankful for what you guys do.
Thank you, Ghazi. That's very, very kind of you. Thank you so much.
Okay. Maybe a last request होगी, and I know I didn't tell you guys in advance कि मैं आपको कहूँगा would be कि अगर आप थोड़ा सा जो है मोज़ेस सारिफ का थोड़ा सा part अगर गा सकें live for the people who've tuned in. What do you guys think?
हाँ बताएं, ये गाएं ना कोरस, फिर मैं आगे से थोड़ी सी वर्ड्स गा दूंगा.
Yeah.
Over to you.
चलो या मैं ही वर्ड्स गा देता हूँ, कितनी कोई वो नहीं है.
हाँ, start with that.
जी नाजरीन और हजरात हाजरीन, बरादरान मिल्लत आप रखे तशरीफ, जनाब आली, जनाब आला, जनाब आलम और सारी खवातीन, all of the ladies, मोहतरमा, follow me and dear Muazzez Sarif, all the adib and musannifin know what I mean when I scream
Hello.
hello. Yeah, here we go. फारिस भाई का वायरस इन सिस्टम तारे के मजारी रात आज करूं यादें सारा दिन जारी करूं वारेंट माजी को बुला दें कैसी थी वो प्यारी प्यारी बातें अगर करूंगा मैं फोकस तेरे सारे वादे बोगस होंगे सारे खाते खोलस और सारे गाने चौकस मेरे चारों ओर फिर तेरे रिपोर्टर्स प्लीज नो फोटोस ठीक है स्पीड में आके निकला मैं बात कह रहा स्पीड टेके हैं ये जो इतनी है काफी पे ये खींचे में चेक रहा पिक्चर विद बिकॉज़ आई नीड टू पेंट अ पिक्चर मेरे पास ओरिजिनल लिटरेचर आपके पास सेल्युलर कवरेज है बट डोंट बी कॉलिंग मी एंड दैट्स द पॉलिसी I got a whole catalog of people that I just don't want to see. Sat along a tree, ਜਿਵੇਂ people ਦਾ ਪੱਤ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਦੀ ਛਾਤੀ ਚੌੜੀ ਸੀ they just wanted me to stop the velocity oh the audacity ऐसे नहीं
बागी रूह को कैसे तुम संभालोगे किस किस सांचे में हमें तुम ढालोगे क्या बुज़दिल रह के अपना आप निभालोगे झुक झुक के फिर कैसे सर उठा लोगे अजी सुन रे हाँ सुन रे
yeah, very good
Yeah.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank
Been
you.
a pleasure talking to you both, and I wish you guys the best of luck for whatever you guys do in the future. And I'm fingers crossed, inshallah, looking forward to another Shafi duo coming up our way. Potentially, जिसमें मिशा भी रैप कर रही हूँ, so rap कर
और ये गाएगा, ये भी गा लेता है, बड़ा अच्छा.
This is the वटा सटा that's gonna happen. So मिशा rap कर रही होंगी और फारिस गा रहा होगा.
Role reversal. So yeah. But thank you, and a special shout out before we go to everyone who's tuned in. I tried to catch some of the comments as they're rolling along, and there's so much love here, and I'm so grateful for that. I love you all. Thank you for all your lovely comments.
yes and thank you kind sir Mr. Ghazi Taimur.
Ghazi, it was a pleasure. Thank you.
Yes, it was.
Thank you to both of you for your time. Thank you everyone who tuned in. We had Misha and Faris, and yeah, great to have you all. Thank you everyone.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. See ya next time.